friends, welcome to our channel. Now today we will be seeing a very new and interesting topic, that is our planet Earth. Our Earth is our home planet. It is a beautiful planet when seen from space. It is the third planet from Sun and the largest of the inner planets. It is the only planet known to sustain life and to have liquid water at the surface. What are the different layers of atmosphere? The atmosphere is divided into 5 main layers. The layers of atmosphere is thick near the surface of the earth and quite thin when it merges in the space. The troposphere is the first layer of the atmosphere. All the weather phenomena occurs in this layer. The second layer is the stratosphere. In this layer of atmosphere, jet aircrafts fly and ozone layer absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. The mesosphere is the third highest layer of the atmosphere. Here, a lot of meteors burn up while entering the Earth's atmosphere. The thermosphere is the fourth layer, and it is here the space shuttle orbits the Earth. The exosphere is the last layer of atmosphere. It is the thin layer of the atmosphere and it merges into the space. How does day and night occur? The Earth rotates about its axis once every 24 hours, plunging about half of the globe into darkness and illuminating the other half at any one time as the sun comes in and out of view. This is how nights and day are caused. Why are deserts so hot during the daytime and so cold during the night? Deserts are hot during the day and cold at night because when the sun shines, all the heat gets absorbed by the land, thus raising the land's temperature. If there would be moisture in the soil, much of this heat would have evaporated, thus keeping the soil cooler during the daytime. Similarly, during the night time, the deserts are cooler because the dry grounds does not retain much heat, and the moist ground and the dry air allows the surface to cool rapidly at night. How and when are mountains formed? Mountains are formed by slow but gigantic movements of the Earth's crust. The Earth's crust is made up of 6 huge slabs called plates, which fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. When 2 slabs of the Earth's crust smash into each other, the land moves in the upward direction, leading to the formation of the mountains. Many of the greatest mountain ranges in the world have been formed due to this enormous collision between both continents. Did you know Earth rotates very fast at the speed about 1000 miles per hour, but still we do not feel the movement because the speed at which it rotates remains constant. The spinning and orbital speed of the Earth remains the same, and thus we do not feel any motion. Where is the highest mountain on the earth? Mount Everest is the highest mountain on the earth. It rises 8,850 meters above the sea level. On the border between Nepal and China, Mount Everest has 2 names. It's in Nepali language called Sagar Mata, head of the sky. Where are coral reefs? Coral reefs are developed in shallow, warm water, usually near land, and mostly in the tropics. Coral reefs prefer temperatures between 70 degree and 85 degree Fahrenheit, that is 21 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. There are coral reefs of all eastern coast of Africa. off the southern coast of India, in the Red Sea, and off the coast of northeast and northwest of Australia to Polynesia. Coral reefs are also found off the coast of Florida, USA, to the Caribbean and Brazil. Why is the Dead Sea is called so? The Dead Sea is called so because nothing survives in it. There is no seaweeds or plants, no fish either, because the Dead Sea is almost 6 times as salty as the ocean. It takes many dissolved minerals, including magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, potassium chloride, in large quantities. The high concentration of salt make the plant and animal life impossible to survive. Why the water in ocean and seas do not dry up? The water in the sea turns into water vapor by the heat of the sun. The water vapor evaporates and form clouds. When the clouds meet and cold air in the sky condense takes place and they fall again as rain. The rain falls into the sea to become seawater. The seawater is again heated by the sun to form water vapor, and this whole cycle is repeated. This is why we see seas and ocean do not dry. How does earthquake occur? Earthquakes generally occur along the border of the oceanic and continental plates. The Earth's crust is made up of several plates. The plates under the ocean are called oceanic plates, and on the land are called continental plates. These plates constantly keep bumping into each other and pulling away from each other. Earthquakes usually occur near the points where two plates are running into each other or sliding past each other. How do volcanoes occur? Volcano is an opening in the earth's surface which allows hot molten rock, that is lava, ash and gases to escape from below the surface. Volcanoes occur when the earth's plates pull apart, causing magma to rise to the surface. Did you know sundials were used by many people to know time? When the sun was directly overhead and the shadow of the people and objects were at the shortest, it was said to be noon. As the technology advanced, clocks and watches took place of sundials. Why does seawater not erode coastal areas in all places? Coastal erosion occurs due to the kinetic energy of wind. The wind energy is transmitted through wind generated water waves. Sometimes the waves are also generated by other forms of energy such as earthquake. The waves in turn cause erosion by breaking on the shoreline. In coasts where substantial tidal variation occur, there may be marginal erosion. Where the water is motionless and quiet, as in a lagoon, the coastal line is stable and does not get eroded. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching our video. Please hit the like, share and the subscribe button. It really motivates us.